Hello, dear subscribers. Hope you all are doing great. A warm welcome to our YouTube channel. Here we upload amazing facts related to food, technology, psychology, horror, and many others. Enjoy the facts and share it with your friends and family. Also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Keep supporting. Polar bears are left handed.
I see the world through ice covered in ink and bleach. Cross out the ones
Napoleon was shot.
and watch me weep. I love everything. Fires.
There is a company that will fly you in a helicopter and allow you to use a semi-automatic rifle to hunt feral hogs from the air. The longest tunnel in the world is 57 km long and goes from Switzerland to Italy underneath Alps. It took 17 years to build. The sun evaporates a trillion tons of water a day. There is a condition called geographic tongue where raised geometric patterns are visible on the surface of the tongue.
Why can't you?
World's smallest poisonous frog is less than a centimeter long and its skin is 200 times more toxic than morphine.
World of make-believe.
Never give your secret to anyone because if you can't keep it to yourself, don't expect others to.
Some days I feel skinny.
Inhaling farts helps lower the risk of stroke, heart attacks, and cancer.
Can't tell if my body belongs to me.
In 1999, Harvard physicist Leen Howe was able to slow down a beam light to 17 meters per second.
It's so bright, it's hard to breathe.
Friends who do not have a lot of picture together have a lot of memories together. Students cheat in exams because our education system values grades more than our learning. The cantor, giant soft-shell turtle, spends 95% of his life buried and motionless underwater.
Wanna taste your content, hold your breath.
When a photojournalist took this picture of little boy in Syria, the 4-year-old thought the camera was a gun and raised up his arms to surrender.
Taste consumption.
Why do we close our eyes when we pray, cry, kiss or dream? Because the most beautiful things in life are not seen but felt by the heart.
Burns out.
Coffee comes from an edible fruit. Blue-eyed people are more likely to become alcoholics.
Yeah, just kicking up daisies. Got one too many.
The world's most expensive wine averages over US $15,000 per bottle.
Places, yeah, just tripping.
A Vietnam War American sniper volunteered to crawl for 3 days across 2000 m of open field containing an enemy headquarters. If someone can't cry, he or she is weak. Loneliness is experienced in the same part of brain as pain. The average guy will cry 6 to 17 times a year while the average woman will empty her tear ducts between 30 to 64 times. Being unable to get someone off your mind indicates that you are also on that person's mind. Being called baby has a positive effect on the female brain, causing instant emotional stress relief. The richest man ever lived was Mansa Musa. Eating pizza once a week can reduce the risk of esophageal cancer. When a person appears in your dream, that person wants to see you. When a bald eagle loses a feather, it will automatically shed the same feather on its other side to maintain balance. Astronauts in space lose on average 1% of their bone mass a month. 17 into 17 into 17 Rubik's Cube, the world's largest, solved in 7.5 hours. When Pakistan asked Amir Khan to cut Indian national anthem from his movie, Amir Khan decided he won't release his entire Dangal movie in Pakistan. The film One Flew Over the Cuckoo's Nest was shot in a real mental hospital. In Thailand, police officers who are caught breaking minor laws are forced to wear Hello Kitty armbands for a few days. Hundreds of love letters between two gay World War II soldiers were found and are being made into a book. 85% of people have experienced a dream so real that they were not sure if it happened in real life or not. There is a monument in Georgia which gives instruction in 8 languages. This is 100% real photo, no editing done to it. Camel thorn trees, Namibia. In Finland, PhD graduates get a top hat and sword with their diploma. Rabbits have 360-degree panoramic vision, allowing them to detect predators from all directions. If you heated the head of a pin to the temperature of the center of the sun, it will kill anyone within 1000 miles of it. Robert Downey Jr. was allowed by his father to smoke marijuana at the age of 6. 2520 is the smallest number that can be divided by each of the number from 1 to 10 without any remainder. Surface color of both A and B parts is identical. When a person cries, if the first drop of tears comes from the right eye, it's happiness. But when tears come from the left eye, it's pain. The oldest condoms ever found date back to the 1640s. Thanks for watching.